Lacoste is one of Nanay's favorite brands. So tara guys, let's see if we can find something for her inside. And finally guys, may napili na tayo. Nice ng color, di ba? And bumili na rin ako ng socks for her. And I'm so sorry. Wala sa plano to guys. Napabili din ako for myself. Sorry na.
Okay na yung 8 sa inyo, no? Tapos yung isa, ma'am, 9.
Nay.
Papa yung una. Ma'am, patago na lang balik.
Ay, oo nga
Change
pala.
item, ma'am, ha? Thank you very much.
So ayan na guys, let's go home. Let's go home. Oh no. But wait, there's more. So, ayun na nga guys, I failed. Napabili ako ng 2 bottles of perfume para lang sa free bag. So, ito yung makukuha ko free.
Ganda yan, ma'am. Saka original.
Let's go home for real.